Yo, what's up? Today we're gonna be looking at how Lucky's song "Peach Dream" was produced by Cash Cobain. The song is two different instruments. Let's just get right into them. The first one is this counter melody like piano thing. Is this preset in Purity, and in the song you can see these notes are actually these notes overlap these, so you should extend these while these are pretty much normal. You just cut them when the other one would start. The second melody is this, a bass-like sound. And this is this preset from Purity right here, Vintage EP2. So let's get to the drums. We have a very simple drum structure which only has hi-hats, snares, and an 808. So these are the hi-hats. You have a triplet. I don't know if it's a triplet, but you have a triplet here, and then a triplet here, and a triplet here. But a stutter, like this note plays here very quickly, so you can hear basically like that, and it's just this loop twice. Let's go to the snare, which is pretty simple as well. You just put your snares where your claps would be, and then also where snares would actually be. So it's really basic. And lastly, the 808. So overall, everything but the 808s loop throughout the entire song, and the 808 just starts off being cut halfway, a quarter of the way through. So and then it's also cut here and then here. So basically, that's the entire song. Thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment what you would like, what songs you would like to see remade. And see you on the next video.